is. Excellent. That is it in the kitchen from Chef Ricardo to you guys, to the man. I hope you guys will enjoy this one because it's a beautiful recipe to make at home, especially if you're a diabetic person. This goes on really well for you. You're gonna be able to see this video this evening. All right, so we're gonna put on a medium-sized pot and the cooker. So if you remember, this goes for members. All right, then what we're gonna do, we are going to put 1 cup of hot water. Excellent. All right. So we're doing this video for all of the members there. Yeah. So what we're gonna do, we are going to put some lemon peel into the water like this. Okay, that's the first thing we're gonna do, and then we're gonna put some slices of lemon into the water. Okay, excellent, beautiful one. And I'm gonna say, guys, to be honest with you, I love this recipe because it's a recipe which I do a lot of time. Yeah, pause. Yeah, we're not going to use any pharmacy of, what do you call it? We're not going to use any ginger and all of those things inside of it. Yeah, I'm just gonna use parsley and lemon. So we need it to boil up for a few minutes. Once it boils, then we're going to add the rest of the remaining ingredients to it. All right. Yeah. So we just want to make it boil for a bit, and then once it boils, we are good to go. All right, beautiful recipe. Every one of you guys to try that. If you're looking for something to try, then yeah, this goes down really well. So you want to remove the skin from the lemon and then put the peel into the water also, and then put the rest of the remaining ingredients. Yeah. Just get it boiled for a bit. So I'm going to add parsley into the water. Then I'm going to turn off the cooker. Alright, but one of my favorite I like to add to this is this is my favorite. I always add this to my parsley and lemon tea. This is cinnamon powder. So we're gonna use about a teaspoon of the cinnamon powder within it. You can use cinnamon stick if you like to. Look at that. That is excellent and an amazing. So we turn off the cooker at the moment. Yeah. We are not going to, we're just gonna make it simmer, and then the cooker is turned off. So we're just gonna lower that for now. And then, yeah, we will pour it off in a bit. So it's going to simmer down. So we'll just leave that for a few minutes. And this is a very good recipe, guys. Very good recipe to make at home. Lovely. So you can see this is amazing. Wow. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to take it off the heat and leave it for it to simmer for a few minutes, all right? Yeah, good vibes. looking to get my book, yes, that's the book, right? All right, it's on Amazon, 50% off. Grab yourself a copy of the book and support Chef Ricardo Progress. A good vibes. All right, guys. Yeah, man. So we take off the tea, and what we are going to do is simple pour it off. All right. Yeah. Because a basic recipe is for you guys tonight. Here it is. Excellent. That is it in the kitchen from Chef Ricardo to you guys, to the man. I hope you guys will enjoy this one because it's a beautiful recipe to make at home, especially if you're a diabetic person. This goes on really well for you. You don't have to be a diabetic person to drink it. Also, you can drink it on its own. A good vibes. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful evening. Stay blessed. And I will be seeing you guys with more recipes and more ideas, man. You don't know anything, go. We always share the beautiful recipe with you at home. A good vibes. Tell a friend, and a friend, tell a friend. And subscribe is important. If you don't subscribe, you will miss the video. And this is for my live stream members only. A good vibes. Have a blessed evening. And bye-bye for now.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove top embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo.